Ah, Al, that was a long stream. Welcome everyone. This is Will Kimac Vintage. I just finished the stream with. Sorry, let me put this in my pocket. It's my microphone transmitter. So anyway, um, just finished doing a live stream, and I was working. I was on there with um, Adam McGee, and at the end there, Trina also joined in. Okay. Um, it was great time. Fixed two power supplies for a 2SI, and boy, those power supplies can be bad. Ugh, ugh, ugh. But anyway, oh god, now my hair is messed up. Anyway, so um, Joe is streaming right now, so he's doing some stuff there, but his stuff is more newer things. But it's just chit chat, so it's all about doing things together and sharing things and talking and hanging out. So anyway, but I want to keep on going on some of these power supplies. So I opened up another one, and oh my God, even the cap juice on this inside here. Let me show you what I mean. um, you can see that brown mark there. That's cap juice. Anyway, um, so I opened up this other one, and I have it under my scope right now. And what I wanted to point out is, yeah, anyone can recap, okay? Recap is recap. Recap is take off the old caps and put on new ones, okay? But the other thing is to also check, all right? And I mean, it's like, look at that. Let me give you better focus there. Okay. There's cap juice all over this as a resistor. I mean, or something is on it. Okay. But it's like, whoever did this really did not take their time. I mean, replacing caps and that is one thing, but and I know what else to look at, and I don't know if one of you might have just seen it, but I'll get to that in a second. But the thing is to also check other things, okay? All right, because one of the things that I explained earlier in my live chat, in my live stream, okay? For example, let's take this, okay? This is a single layer board, all right? So there's no vias, there's no copper on this side to solder onto. Solder goes in the via, makes a good seal, and so forth, right? So what happens with these single layer boards, this is just a hole in the board, and the copper is on the other side. So all the solder is on the other side, all right? So that solder closes up this hole around the metal, around the post of this actually resistor, okay? But there's still a 1.5 or 1.6 thickness of the board, millimeters. All right. So then that hole is going to form a cup. It's going to form a bowl. And that bowl, as this cap juice leaks and runs around and flows through this, goes and sits inside that bowl and seeps its way through the solder by eating away at the solder. Then the solder becomes a powder. I can tell this person that did this, okay? And Jake, if it was you, I'm sorry, okay? I know this is your board and I don't want to blame you for it, okay? But whoever's recapping, this is for me to show y'all what all you need to do, okay? You need to clean the board. This was not cleaned. Nothing here was cleaned, okay? And this cap juice is going to continue to eat, okay? It's going to continue to eat this. I mean, I see some paper towel in here. I don't know where that came from. So, I mean, it's gonna continue to eat this away. And I haven't even gone to the other side yet. All right. But one of the main things that this is probably not working. Okay. Look at this. Look at this cap. It's gone. 628K. I hope I have those. All right. This one too. Look at this. Look at this corrosion here. All right. So we're gonna be taking some things off this board. We're gonna be taking this out. This. We're gonna be taking this actually line filter out. Probably the small one too. For sure, gotta take out this cap here that is busted. Maybe take this one out too. All right. I'm not too worried about the AC side. The AC side usually stays pretty good. It's a DC side. So now, oh my God. Oh boy. The cap juice on this, on all these solder joints did a number. Boy. Look at this. Oh my God. I gotta take all these out. This one is not barely even soldered. Hmm. Hmm. Oh shoot, sorry, you couldn't even see that. I'm sorry. Okay. So what I saw earlier was this here. There's not even solder there. These look real bad. So all this I'm gonna clean up and take off. Okay. Um yeah, this one's coming out completely. That's gotta come out. This one's gonna come out. This is that other little one, yeah. I'll probably take out some of these caps too. Some of this. A lot of this I'm gonna take out. I gotta clean that up. I don't like how that looks. Alright, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I forgot to turn the video back on. I thought I wasn't recording. Anyway, let me give you better focus here. Um, I'm just gonna be taking off some of the solder stuff and so forth. So, one of my new things that I like to do is have some background music while I am recording on that because I'm not always talking. So, let's see what I want to put on today. No, not that, not that, not guitar. Let's see how this goes. Freaking ads. Okay, we'll leave that play. This is from actually YouTube itself. So should not be any copyright issues. I'll try to stay in view in video in focus. I already took this out and I cleaned around here. Okay. I'm not gonna bother some of these solder joints too much, except the ones that I know that I need to remove. Look at that gunk in there. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna get Drake to create new PCBs for this. This is ridiculous. This needs to be a proper board with vias across. We can do a transfer. Because the SI is a nice machine, and to have such a crappy power supply board, just ridiculous. I mean, this half of the solder don't even want to come up because it's not even solder no more. I need to buy stock in the manufacturer of this wick. I tell you, hot, 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 hot. Too close. Uh, Commercial. Skip ad. Where are you, cursor? Uh, oh yeah, this wick is almost finished. Luckily, I have a lot more. What happened to the music? Ooh, that melted a little bit. Alright, so I do have my other two classic boards cleaned. Tomorrow I'm going to test them. Tomorrow I have to test them because I got to box them up because Friday I want to ship them out. The two classics are going to Italy to a gentleman over there, Emmanuel, that sent me his two boards. But to make things faster, it's quicker to do a board swap. I'll take the chance if it's good or not. Don't matter to me. I mean, that's not solder anymore. That's like a goo. Another commercial. Hold on. Oh no, it already finished. First time I'm playing this one, so let's see. Ugh. That one broken too? No, that's just the dirt though on it. This is the broken one here. Oh my god, that's just falling apart in my hands. Hope I can get the number. 682. Let's put that over there. It just fell apart in my hand. I mean, oh, my wick is completely out of the thing. Okay, let's... See how much better we are now that we're a little clean? Okay, but you see what I see still? Look inside these solder joints. Where's my pick? Alright, let me get you in closer. Okay. See inside of them? That's not solder anymore. Okay. Look at what this is gonna do. See all that black gunk bubbling up. Look. See it coming up? But I can't do this for every single solder joint. See, I got some of it out, but I can't get it all out of there. I can't. It just... See, for us to really get it out, we gotta go straighten these up.
Would you like to learn to play worship piano? I'm a former Nashville pro, and I've developed a system.
Okay, well, I don't care. You're a national pro. Let's skip your ad and let's go. Okay, you see? So now... when I loosen were these wires here. Okay, but I'm just not sure what side I did. Alright, this side. Make sure I don't burn myself. Okay, so these should pop out now. See, look at that gunk. Look at that gunk. Oh my god. Look at this. This is why, Jake, any new board that you design, VS, please, so that we don't get this. Because these holes become bowls. Let's just enjoy the music. See, I can't do this with every single hole. I can't. It's just too much. And fix some of those there. Those look real bad there. All right, let's see about soldering some of these things back on. Let's get these wires here, these cables here taken care of, these jumpers. Once I can get them soldered, then I can come and do a hard cleaning on this side, because right now they're gonna. All right, solder time. Okay. Now those jumper wires come to this side, so we're gonna solder them over here. Okay. We have this guy here. This is the first power supply one that I took it out. The other ones I left it on and we just cleaned it in place. But this one here, I was like, this one looks too bad. So all we're gonna do is just really clean these off a little bit like this. Okay. Alright, I just needed to anchor it. And now we can come and solder the rest. So you see I anchored it here. I'm not gonna solder that one because if I touch that one right now, it's gonna fall. These get a lot of heat, so I want to make sure I get a good amount of solder on them. Okay. Okay. Let's give that a little clean and see. Okay. Well, I'm happy with that. That looks much better. Okay. Now we're gonna come and clean this other side. So all I'm just using is IPA. Trying to get into the worst areas that I can. Not much I can do about this unless I want to take everything off this freaking board and clean it. And I'm not about to do that. Right now I just want to see how these caps are, if they're on the right way. So far so good. Okay. Surprisingly, this one not so bad. capacitor flux. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm just enjoying the work and the music. All right, I'll fix the focus in a minute. Let me just anchor one leg. Okay. Okay, that's where we're at. Come on. Come on, transfer. Doesn't matter that all that touches. That's all the same leg. It's all on the same plane. Okay. I want to come and clean some of this up here. Where? Right here. I don't even know if I want to tackle that. What is right there? Oh, that's just those wire connections. Nah. Nah, let's clean this and put this back in. So you can see how what I do here. I'm basically holding it with my hand. Um, I'm holding it with a finger. Actually, this point here. This is the one I'm gonna.
Are you sick of flipping pages to learn? Are you bored of
I
uninspired?
know anatomy. Okay, so I have it there fluxed, and I'm gonna transfer some solder to it just to hold it. Now I can let go of it. Now I'll come to this side, and I'll go ahead and solder this side first. Okay. Then I have this one, which was the good one. Are they both the same size? 682, yeah. I hope I have some of these. Okay. All right, let's see if I have some of those disc capacitors. That's not a disc capacitor. That is a disc capacitor, but 682K. I mean, a K on that is so weird to see a K on a B 682K. I gotta search what that is. 682K disc capacitor. 68K, 682, 6,800 picofarad. I don't have them that. 6,800 picofarads. Let's convert that. 6,800 picofarad to UF. It's 6.8 nanofarad or 0.0068 picofarad. 6.8 nanofarad I should have. No, or 0.0068. 6.8 nanofarad. Six point eight nanofarads, 4.7. I'm just trying to see what I can put in there. I think a 4.7 will be too small. 10 nanofarad might work. It's not that much. Just a little balance. All right, we're gonna go with a 10 nanofarad. I don't like this piano music. Let's go with this one. Let's see what this one does. My tweezers. 10 nanofarad, 10 nanofarad. You're here. You're number 103. And transfer. Okay. We got a little bit of snip here to do. Okay. I think I want to test this. I think it should be fine. I did a little melt there. Look at that. Oh, with my soldering iron. Oh my god. But it didn't go through. It's still the AC DC converters right here. So those those look good. Okay, this is the power connector coming in. You see what I see? You see those rings? You see those solder joints? So we're gonna reflow this. See it? Okay, so those are the power connectors. Let's check this relay. The relay looks fine. I hope, yeah, you can still hear me. Boy, this DC side really looks nasty. Alright, let's give this a little clean. I know I don't have the best speakers, but we still get a little bit of audio. All right. Let me put you to the other camera. I'll turn this on this volume a little bit because it's a bit louder since I'm closer to the speaker. Oh, come on. Okay. So what are the odds of this one working? Think that capacitor I put in is gonna hold it? I don't have that exact size. I feel a sneeze coming. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, everyone. Getting into those hard to see spots. I'm good with that, but by touch, feeling, not by visual. Anyway, that's a different story. All right, let's put this back on. You can see how. Yeah, don't sing, Will. Don't sing. You can't sing. Never could. Just let the song play the way it should. Okay, so we got everything assembled. I don't have no more screws. The only one is really one to hold this in, but it wasn't there, so. But what I will do is I'll put that in for now to hold it, but then switch it to the top for later. So it's looking like all these power supplies are really needing is a good cleaning. SI. I love this little machine, man. This little thing is kick ass. All right, I'm gonna pause that. Okay, I didn't get a blow. Good. I didn't get no explosion. Where's my controller? I'm gonna plug in my creation. This is a floppy port voltage meter. The top is your 12 volts, your 5 volts, and then your negative 12 if it has it. This can either plug in directly to the floppy port, or I haven't made it yet, but I can make a plug, the cable that comes and it can also plug into here, so you can't have this away from you, away from the back. Let's bring this up too. But I can't plug that in together with that at the same time. Alright, well, I know the voltage will be good. We can check that later. That's the thing that we saw with design one of this device, is that we can't have this wing here. So we've gotten rid of it and added it back here now instead. So are we gonna have power? Are we gonna have it? Are we gonna have it? Nope. I did plug that in. Okay, so without power then, let's take a look at something. Let's go look. Oh, where's my schematics? I need to find out something. Bookmark, SI. Okay, SI schematic. Are we at page 1? No. Okay, hard drive. Need power coming in. The power supply. Positive 5 volt number 4. Two, 3, and 4 should all be. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Okay, so that means if this plugs in like this, that means this side. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Which all go to here. Okay, so 1 is up here. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, do I even have the 5 volt rail coming in? No, I don't even have the 5 volt rail coming in. So I'm not even getting that. Which ones are ground? 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this here should be ground. No, I don't have 5 volts. Power monitor line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I have the 5 volts for the power supply coming in for the. I have the 5 volts for the power line monitor coming in. Okay, so maybe the ADB part is not working, but let's find out. Okay, so more than likely the power supply module. I do have the 5 volts, but it's not triggering it on. The machine works, I know that. It's just a signal going back to the power supply to come on. Power failure watchdog. Okay, that's that one. The ground. That's very odd. Alright, so back to the drawing board with this one. But I'm gonna take a break for a minute. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. It's 8 o'clock here, so I'm gonna eat my dinner and I'll come back, okay? Alright, folks, so I've come back. Let's try round 2 on this power supply, shall we? So I do have the 5 volts coming from it. Okay, and based on the schematics, it's if I'm not mistaken, then it's pin 9 is supposed to get a signal that goes back to the power supply. Because 10, all it's doing is providing a constant power to the power, so to it's just providing a trickle to the motherboard, well, to the logic board. You push the power switch, then that activates everything else. It goes into the MCU on the logic board. Then pin 26 sends that out on pin 9. It sends it back to the power supply to actually turn on. So pin 9 is going to be, of course, these are not telling me colors. White. So we will follow the white line. November Rain, Guns N' Roses. Say why? I had to discharge that. I didn't want to touch that power because it was plugged in, remember? Those are the big ones. All right, yellow line, white. Yellow, white. Yep, goes to that board. And it goes to the board. We'll look at that right now. Let's go take a look. You see why y'all got a discharge? Imagine if I didn't do that and I touched that, huh? I know some of you probably watching that was actually screaming, discharge, 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 be careful. Alright, so this is white. This is the yellow. You see, so the power comes, the white comes back and goes right here to the board. And what do we see right there? No, that's that capacitor. The diode here. Another capacitor here. The capacitor. Okay, so there's a diode. This is another capacitor here. Is this put on right? Yes, there's the white circle. Did my other cap over here blow? No. I would think this board should be pretty good. Boy, that soldered so bad. You all see that? I see how bad that's made. That's just the base. Hmm. All right, we're gonna do a little bit more cleaning and see what we can get out of this. I don't like how that looks, but that doesn't. Oh boy, Joey, go away. Sorry. Remember how I said I wanted to clean up here? See what's happened now? This thick one is another one of the cables. This is the white wire. This is the yellow one. Basically reflowing all of these to clean them up. And as I see in some things that don't look too good. What is that? That's another line filter. Oh, this has a lot of crust on it. Ugh. See, as I put on the new solder, it pushes away all the debris. And when I clean, that will come off. You see what I see here? How bad this looks? That one. So we're gonna straighten up all this area over here. There's a capacitor over that one too. I thought it was high temperature, but I was down to 300. Ugh. This is wick too, but it's thinner. I'm gonna pick some of this up. Ugh, look at that junk. Oh my god, look at that. I'll come and put new solder in a few minutes. I just wanna. Alright, let's clean all this and see what we see. Um, Whew. Two there I still don't like. This, me. Oh, here it is. I don't like this one or this one. Remember to put that garbage. I got some boxes to put out tonight. What is that anyway? Oh, that's one of the legs of that little transformer. This big one. Come on, bubble out. These are legs of that little transformer. And this one right in front of it. Okay, this is a jumper wire. All right. Okay, now that's soldered better. And so did this one. Okay. Why it comes to this one? Ugh. What is that? A diode. Look at this. I'm putting 360 degrees on this thing and I don't even want to melt. Look at that. Finally. Jeez. It actually popped out. I gotta put that back in. Woof. Smell. Okay, they're clean now. Alright, let's go and look some more over here. I'm just tinning that, that's fine. Okay. Give it a little bit more cleaning. I don't think I'm gonna do more on it tonight. If it doesn't work this time, it will wait. You know, this reminds me of the classic analog board because the same thing with all of these connections here, which are for the wires. Okay, on the classic, you got the same problem. They need a lot of attention. I see two here I didn't get. So let's come and take care of those two quick. And these two here I didn't do. Hmm. Let's see how the other one I take. Y'all see that? Y'all see that ring around that? See that? Solder crack? Now this is critical too because this is the from the AC to the DC side. This is the little transformer. You see things act strange like that because of flux. It needs flux. You see, once I put the flux, see how much better that flew? That flowed? The AC side looks pretty good. The AC side normally stays good. Hmm. I guess it's okay. Only reason I'm doing this is because I see that little tip. Alright. Guys, remember when you power supply like this that was plugged in, I took it straight out. You have to discharge it. Fuse is good. Fuse is good. Boy, that looks rough in there. That looks very rough. You have to discharge the power supplies. You saw me do that. Spark. Big spark. Ground yourself. Make sure you're holding something that is insulated. And cross the negative positive of those big boys. They're the ones that hold the power. All right, let's close this back up. Let's hope it works. If it doesn't, that's gonna be it for tonight. My eyes are tired. Oh, switch views. I'm sorry. Okay. Come on, please work. I like to get at least have a have a 3-0 goal. And actually, this one is not as bad as the previous power supply. The previous one was Told you I'm good by feel with that. My hands are very sticky from all this flux. So I gotta put out the garbage, but that's not hard. I mean, I don't have much. Okay. I love it that this one, at least, crappy power supply, but at least they made it that this power connector here comes off. And that's such a nice feature. All right. What are the odds, guys? What are the odds? What are the odds? What are the odds? We're gonna have power. Are we gonna have power? Ooh, power cable, power cable. No blow yet. Nope. I think it's something on that little board. That little board is what controls the soft power switch. Okay, well, at least I got two working. So I did those today on the live stream. I know I'm a mess. Anyway, um, give you all a little info on what's been going on. This is the SE board for the um Macintosh giveaway. All fully working and good, ready to go. A little bit high. It's not. It's just the start of each row. So this is this one. These are the two classic boards going to Emmanuel in Italy. Fully socketed. And this one too, fully socketed. My first two reloaded that I did for the classic. And they've been tested and working. I did ultrasonic cleaning today and so forth. Not on the giveaway board. The giveaway board was already cleaned and everything, but I'm gonna test it tomorrow because I gotta package it up. This is another SE30. Um, this one is also working. No, this one is not working yet. This is why I cleaned it, because I need to work on this one. Okay. The one that is working is this one. This one works. This one works and it's all good to go. So if anyone needs a SE30 reloaded, they have a board to donate, well, to exchange and that, then we can do that. So these go here. So I have quite a few things done, but I still have some more work to do. But anyway, Macintosh is we're in the middle of the month. Today's the 15th, so we're halfway through. Plus one. Don't forget the 28th is the raffle to um, see who's gonna win this SE30. I need to ship this board to Ron because Ron has all the other items, and we'll assemble them and put them together and then ship it out to the winner. Um, the drawing is the 28th of March, 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern. So that's 7 Mountain, 6 Pacific. And good luck to everyone. There is a video on my channel that tells you what the process is and how to enter and win. Basically, on that video, you got to put a comment. You got to leave a comment that says that is the hashtag KMAC Vintage, and then that will get you entered. I'll be using the YouTube comment picker and looking for that hashtag. Duplicate entries are not valid, so only one entry. It will filter out the rest. So anyway, good luck everyone. Go to that video, put in your comment, and let's see who's gonna win this. So for tonight, March 15th, it is 9:23 p.m. Central Time, and I am done for tonight. I am calling it the quits. I need to rest my eyes. I need to go and relax a little bit. So anyway, smash that like button for me, please, if you enjoyed this video. And we're at 2 hours for a power supply. Oh my God. Anyway, but you see what it takes to clean these. This one here seems to have quite a bit of damage. So I may have to start checking some traces and that. But then again, this doesn't really have traces. It's got big old blobs of copper. It's got big actually copper planes and that. So anyway, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks everyone. Y'all have a great night. Thumbs up for me. Like the videos. Leave your comments. Enjoy. Share. I'm on Ko-fi.com, KMAC Vintage. You can go there, check my blogs, posts, pictures, gallery, shop, and so forth. I have a few items on there that I have available. I just added the AT Tiny RTC chip, so those are there. They're not expensive, a couple bucks. So buy actually two of them. Then I have other things on there, and please help support the channel. I mean, give $1, buy me a coffee for $1, give a dollar or two or so, and that will help me. I mean, I go through a lot of supplies, and I'm not monetization. I don't have any sponsorship, so this is out of my pocket. But I enjoy it. So thanks everyone again, and oh, I keep on forgetting. I'm also on Twitter, KMAC Vintage, and I have a new icon. I don't know if y'all have seen that. I have that on my Twitter, on my YouTube. I did add a new picture also on YouTube to my banner page, my updated work area and that. So that's there. So anyway, have a good night, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.